Hips tick-tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans.
Alright y'all, let's get into this haul real quick. Let me grab the bag. It's going to be a Goodwill haul. Some of these things I picked up and then some my mom picked up. As a matter of fact, let me show y'all what she got for me. Let me tell y'all about this woman. My mother goes to the Goodwill and she searches for nice bags, okay? And normally when she finds those bags, she just gives them away. Alright, especially to me because she know I love the good bag. And yeah, I just can't resist. Like, run me those bags, mom. Let me tell y'all something. She always finds the absolute best bags in the Goodwill. Alright, I'm gonna share these two with you, but I have so many more that she picked up for me. These are the most recent, and I don't know why I never shared those bags with y'all. Maybe I will one day. But my mom is just, ooh, she be doing her thing, y'all. When she's in the Goodwill, she finds the best bags. So, okay y'all, so here is the very first bag that she brought this week. And as you can see, it is a guest bag. It's a really nice satchel. And it has a pocket on the back, as you can see here. It doesn't have feet at all. And as y'all can see, it has a little G's all over it. But this color is just everything. It is so appropriate for this time of year. I love how just structured the bag is, and this is going to definitely be my work bag. It has a lot of compartments in the inside. Whoever had this bag, they took really good care of it, y'all. But I am gonna go in and clean it up really, really good. I just adore all of the compartments. I can put ink pens, highlighters, so forth and so on, because I'm going to put my laptop in this bag and my work stuff. So this is perfect, you guys. The zipper works like 100% great. And yeah, I really, really like this bag. So mom did a great job with getting this one. I was like, yes, honey, I love this. So my laptop is just the perfect size to fit in this bag, and I love it. And I can also fit my wireless mouse and my wireless keyboard. So this is definitely going to be a work bag, and it's really nice and sturdy. And so I don't know if you guys know or not, but all of the bags at the Goodwill is, I think, $6, okay? So $6 for this gorgeous bag. And even if I don't wear it for work, I have boots this color, and I can just wear it like out or whatever, because it's just a really nice, gorgeous bag. So that's the first bag. And then, y'all, when she came to my house with this bag, I almost flipped. Like, y'all, look at this. Look at this. How gorgeous is this Michael Kors bag? How freaking gorgeous is this? Beautiful. The color is beautiful. The hardware is beautiful. Y'all, the zipper, like, let me give you guys a close-up. Like, look at the zipper. Hopefully you guys can see. But everything is intact. Like, look at this. It is perfect. Like, the inside, all right, it has like a snap, but look at the inside, y'all. Again, this bag is really nice and clean. As y'all can see, well, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but it has like Michael Kors all over the hardware. Like, this is such a gorgeous bag. It has like so many compartments. It has so many compartments, y'all, in the inside. It also has this latch right here for your keys for the inside. It comes with a strap, and on the latch it says Michael Kors, as well as a zipper. The hardware is gold, as you can see. And this is such, like, oh my god, this is such a great bag. Mama scored with this one. She definitely scored, and it was only $6, you guys. $6. So it comes with top handles, as you can see. Look how structured it is. You know, all of the Michael Kors bags comes with the little emblem there. It buttons on the side to further structure the bag on either side. Y'all see the little button there. Again, the strap, I can wear it as a crossbody. I can adjust the strap. Such, y'all, I just can't get over it. Like, this bag is so gorgeous. It comes with the feet on the bottom, and it says Michael Kors. But I was just like, mama, like, I see bags like this in Ross and TJ Maxx and Marshalls like all the time, running for anywhere between $130 and $200. And the fact that she could score this for $6, like, it is everything, y'all. I'm so happy for this bag. Tell me what y'all think. It's gorgeous. The first thing that I picked up are these really cute boots. not boots, y'all. These really cute booties. Look how cute these are, and I do need to clean them up, but they are absolutely gorgeous, y'all. And I don't have any boots like this in my collection. As you can see, it has the heel out as well as the toe. It straps up, okay, and it also has the strap that goes around your ankle. Like, I've never owned a boot this color, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love how it ties up in the front. The heel is really moderate, not too high, not too low. I freaking love this, okay? And the hardware is gold. Like, these boots are gorgeous, gorgeous. Like, right now it is too cold to wear these, but honey, wait until the spring comes. Like, I'm not playing. Like, look at these, so nice. And I guess, like, if I was going out somewhere, it may be okay for now. But yeah, like, not to work or anything like that because it's just way too cold. But I will rock these to work. They are just freaking gorgeous, y'all. Just wait till I clean these bad boys up and they're gonna be good to go. So yeah, I had to, like, when I saw these and I saw that they were a size 10, honey, baby, I jumped on these babies so freaking quick. So quick. And they are just so freaking cute. I'm gonna clean them up really, really good and just put them away for next year, y'all. But look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I got those shoes. And they were, the Goodwill went up on their shoes. I think they were like $7. But I couldn't leave them. Like, even the leather looks good. It doesn't look worn at all. Then, like, okay, so let me start off by telling y'all that everything in the bag was half off. All the clothing items were half off. So the first thing that I got was this, y'all. When I saw this, I almost flipped. Look at this bodycon dress with the buttons on the front. This is gorgeous. When I saw this, I was like, yeah, I have to have this. I took this to the dressing room. I tried it on and it fits beautifully. It hugs my curves so nicely. It looks so freaking good. And when I got this dress, I was like, you know what? I can wear this now with some boots and like a cardigan. That'll look so cute. And then in the fall, or spring rather, I can pair it with these shoes because as you can see, the buttons are like a, what do you call these buttons, y'all? Like a tortoise? Is that what you call them? But as you can see, they match the shoes. So even if I did this number, okay, with a nice leather jacket or a cardigan, even going out, that would be really cute. So when I saw this dress, I instantly thought about these shoes. Or I have like a darker tan boot that'll look good with this as well. So yeah, y'all, I had to get this dress. This dress was $4 because the dresses are $7.99. So I paid $4 for this dress. And it is gorgeous. Like, it is such great quality. Where is it from? I can't tell. Y'all, I can't tell where it's from. But when I tell you that the quality is amazing, it's not linty at all. Because sometimes you have to, like, watch your items in the Goodwill because they be really linty, especially black. But this is of high quality. When I tell you it's so thick, it's so stretchy, and I look so freaking sexy in this dress. Y'all, I'm going to come back and try these things on for y'all. But it's so cute, and I am going to put this one in the cleaners because it is just gorgeous. It's gorgeous, 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 y'all. I freaking love it. So I got this, and then the very next dress I got is this one. And y'all, this dress is absolutely beautiful. This will make for a great birthday dress, and I think that's what I'm going to save this for. But look at this baby. Look at her. She is absolutely gorgeous. She looks good on. Like, she just accentuates my curves like none freaking other. Beautiful. Look at the sweetheart cut in the front. And then if you turn it around, it has like this slippery thing that kind of pastes to your skin to keep it up. It makes the boobs look absolutely gorgeous. Like the sisters be sitting, honey. It has this like bra strap that you can adjust or take off to wear this strapless. Okay, so y'all, the design. How gorgeous is this design? It is life. It is everything. It is beautiful. Okay, I love the design with this waist strap. And I love dresses made like this because this waistline strap or this feature will help to camouflage your tummy if you have a tummy like I do, okay? but gorgeous. This is the type of dress that is made to like suck you in, okay? And I want to come back on and try these dresses on for y'all, and I will. But how gorgeous is that? So this is definitely going to be a birthday dress. And look at the back, y'all. So the back has this exposed zipper, and it's trimmed in red, and the zipper is gold. Tell me that ain't gorgeous. So obviously I will be wearing like gold accessories. I can throw on some red shoes and make this red pop. I'll make sure like when I wear this, my hair is kind of pinned up some kind of way, so all of the features of this dress can show. But it is life. The material is good, it's everything like the other dress. So I don't want to put these dresses in the washer because I don't want to mess them up. Just gorgeous, y'all. Gorgeous. Beautiful. So the plan is to put both dresses in the cleaners, and then I'll try them on for y'all. But y'all, I am so freaking in love with these dresses. So freaking gorgeous. And both were $4. Okay, because whenever I go to the Goodwill, y'all, I make sure I find like all of the half off items, okay? I don't be playing. So that's that. Y'all, these joggers that I'm about to show you, when I saw these, I couldn't handle it. I couldn't handle it. I had to end my Goodwill trip. That was it. I had scored. We don't even have to finish. Like, I was so freaking happy when I saw these. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Look at these. Drop the mic. Y'all, look at these freaking joggers right here. Look at these joggers. Y'all are seeing it right. They are sequence joggers. Look at these. Good. Who gave these away? Who gave these away? But I thank you. I thank you. Because when I saw these, y'all, I almost took the whole rack down trying to grab these. Let me tell you something. Y'all, all of the sequins are there. None are missing. Not one. They are all intact, y'all. I like went through these pants like a needle in a haystack just to make sure none of the sequins were missing. As you can see, it has like almost like a skinny bottom. It has the stripes on the side, which is great because you can either dress these up or dress these down. You can throw on black, you can throw on white, you can wear sneakers. Like, y'all, I can imagine me wearing these so many ways. As you can see, it has like the black waistband, and they fit so freaking good. So I know that I could probably do this with a bustier and some boots. That'll look cute. I can also do these with like some blades, some white blades, and a t-shirt. That'll look cute. Like, you can just do so much with these pants. Y'all already know that anything sparkly and sequins is in, and hopefully my camera is picking up on the sparkle, honey. Look at these. Honey, baby. These are freaking gorgeous. They are gorgeous, and I don't know who they're by. Who are they by? It don't say, y'all. It does not say. And pockets. It has pockets, y'all. I can even do like some nice stilettos with this, and a nice bodysuit or a crop top, and a, y'all, like, I can just do, like, if y'all have any ideas on how I can style these pants, drop it down below. Let me know. But tell me these ain't dope. Tell me, y'all. Tell me. These are so freaking dope. So yeah, let me know how I should style. How would you guys style it? How would you guys style these? Leave that down below, because I'm so in love with these pants. So freaking, so cute. And because the bottom is made the way it is, I can stuff these in boots, and I think that'll look cute. And y'all, I have a bustier. It's like a shiny bustier that I picked up from a store called Gabe. That might look so good with this. Hold on. I'm gonna go get it, y'all, because I also have to show y'all my New Year's Eve dress that I picked up from Ross. So hold on, hold the line. All right, y'all, so I am back. So y'all, this is the bustier that I got from a store called Gabe, okay? And how sexy is this? It is so cute. Y'all see how shiny it is? And so this will look so good. And I'm gonna come back and try it on for y'all. But this will look so good with this. Like, imagine these two. Hold on. Hold on. Look at this, y'all. This will look so freaking good together. Like, I'm not doing it any justice, but just imagine this bustier with this and some boots. Oh my god, just like so freaking cute. And even if you wanted to make it look casual, check this out. I could do the bustier with the joggers and some sneakers. Girl, wouldn't that be cute? But look at this. Like, are y'all catching the vibe? Hopefully y'all are catching the vibe. But I really love this bustier, y'all. It is adjustable. And I never showed y'all this, but I only paid like $5 for it. And the next time I go into that store called Gabe, I'm going to take y'all in there because they have real cute stuff. And I was really shocked to find this. I thought this was really, really cute. I have a black sequence skirt that I was thinking about wearing with this. Oh, I showed y'all that skirt, so y'all know. Anywho, these joggers, y'all, style of the freaking show for sure. For sure. It's surely on trend, and I just love these. I just love y'all. I was so happy when I found these. But then that's that. So y'all, I'm just gonna put these dresses back in this Goodwill bag because I'm gonna drop this stuff off at the cleaners tomorrow. Because y'all, I'm really scared to put these things in the washer. I do not want to ruin these items, okay? So I'm gonna put them in the cleaner. So then next, y'all, OMG. So I went into Ross the other day and I was thinking like, what am I going to wear for the new year? So y'all, look at this dress that I picked up from Ross. And the camera isn't doing her any justice at all. She is gorgeous. Like, she has all of these sparkles all over her. Y'all know sparkles are my thing. All right, the arms is sheer with these black sparkles. And when I saw this dress, y'all, I grabbed it so freaking quick. I was like, yes, honey. This is how the back is made. And this is going to be my New Year's dress, y'all. I tried it on. This was the last large. They had this one large, 2 extra large. No, they didn't even have extra large. They had an extra small, medium, and then this one large. Y'all, I grabbed this baby so quick. I was so happy. It has a zipper in the back, and I did try it on, and it looks so like my body is banging in this dress, y'all. It looks so good. So here is the tag right here, and as you can see, it was $16.99, and this was the best $16.99 I've ever spent. Like, this dress is so freaking cute. Like, look at the embellishments. Like, look at it, y'all. Oh, it is so gorgeous, and it looked gorgeous on. So I was really proud of this $16.99. And so we all need like a little black dress in our wardrobe, and now I finally have one that I really like. So, and it looks so good, y'all. So freaking good. So I'm proud of this dress. So I got this from Ross probably about 2 weeks ago at this point, and I love it. I love it. So when I try the other stuff on, I'll try this one on for y'all as well. But yeah, if you're looking for a New Year's Eve dress or any black dress for any occasion, even Christmas, check out Ross, because this was so good for $17. So yeah, I got that. So y'all, basically that is it for this haul. I need to eat something and then go get in the bed so I can edit a video to get it up tomorrow morning. So that is it, y'all. So I'm going to end this clip right here, and I will see y'all in the morning.